Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got a gorgeous Chanel flat chain shoulder bag to show you today, and it's just stunning. This patent leather is so shiny and so gorgeous. We've got double top handles, which you can also adjust to have just one long strap like that as well. And we've got that classic Chanel leather and chain plaited look on those straps. And then on the back, we've got one nice big exterior flat pocket there. And then we have a flat closure, and that's got that CC turn lock fasten. And inside, it's lovely and simple. We've just got one flat pocket there, and then one zipped pocket along the back as well. The condition of this one, we've called good all around. You can see that patent quilted leather has still got that lovely gloss and that lovely shine to it still. There's just a couple of areas you can see on the back where there's a little bit of creasing along there, and then on each of the corners you can see they've just got a little bit creased and a little bit squashed maybe from storage, but actually they're in a nice condition on each of those corners. That patent leather hasn't really lost its shine in any areas. And then on the front you can see there's just a little bit of a scratch just there, and I'll try and get it at an angle so you can see it just here, a scratch on that front corner. So that's why we've called the exterior good. The interior, again, we've called good. So it's mostly for this flat closure here. You can see again it's got that creasing from where it's been closed, and then it's got a few wrinkles and a couple of marks just along that flat closure there. But the interior, that fabric lining, that's in a gorgeous condition, and things like that zip still works perfectly. And yeah, it is gorgeous in there still. So that's why we've called the interior good. And again, we've called the hardware good just because there's a few kind of hairline scratches just here on the opposite side of that turn lock fasten. You can see just a little bit of scratching on that hardware there. So again, that's why we've called the hardware good, but overall it is in a gorgeous condition and it still has kept its shape very nicely. Inside, you can see we've got the date code just in that bottom corner just here, and it's a little bit difficult to see with the lighting, but there's just a tag just there. That date code begins at 14, so this is 2010/2011 Chanel. So I'll show you what it comes with. So we have the authenticity card with that date code that matches the one inside the bag, and then we also have the Chanel dust bag as well. So if you wanted any exact measurements for the Chanel, you can go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop, so you'll find more details on our website there. When you go click on that link, it will take you to armcandybagco.com, and it should hopefully take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. I'm sure it will sell quickly because it is just gorgeous. But we have got a request list, and we've got loads of you on the request list for Chanel. So if you would like us to add you to that list, we can pop you on there. Just get in contact with us. So send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. We'll pop you on that request list, and then as soon as we get in a bag that you like, it can be Chanel or it can be whatever you have in mind, just let us know, and then we will get in contact with you, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly when you see something that you like. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I will show you the size on me for reference. So if it's any help, I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". So if you wanted to have it that long strap like that, you can pop it on your shoulder. It's also long enough to just pop it nicely as a crossbody as well, or you can pop it with those a little bit shorter as a double strap, and then it just sits really nicely on your shoulder as well, and it's really nice and comfortable. It's a great size that you can definitely fit all your essentials, but then a little bit more as well. So it's a lovely size. Again, if you wanted any more details on this bag, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, you'll find the option to sign up to our newsletter. If you scroll to the bottom of any page, there's a little box that you can pop your email in. So once you've signed up to our newsletter, we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that discount code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. While you're here, like this video, and if you're a bag lover like we are, don't forget to subscribe as well, so that you don't miss out on any gorgeous pieces like this one that we have to show you. And while you're on our website, if you have any bags that you would like to sell with Candy Bag Co, you'll find the How to Sell with Us page on there. So all the process, all the details about the process of selling with us are on there. So have a read through that, and we'll see you later with some more Candy.